doing my business journey of my growth operating business model. So I am basically into a business model called growth operating or shadow operating or AI growth operating. You can call it anything, but essentially it is I partner with people like in the online coaching space, coaches, consultants, info offers, or anyone with an info offer, particularly in the business opportunity niche, like someone who's teaching on YouTube specifically how to start a specific business model. So I partner with them to help them scale their info offers and I take a percentage of their revenue. So this is a business model that I have chosen and I will be documenting my entire journey from zero. So right now don't have any clients. I don't have any money coming from that business, no revenue, nothing. So from zero to signing my first client, getting the results, then scaling and all that stuff. Okay? I don't know how long I'm going to be documenting, but I'm definitely going to document my journey from zero to signing my first client, at least. Okay. So this is the first video, and I'm shooting this on Monday, 21st July. Okay, today is 21st July. Okay, and yesterday on Sunday, I actually started working on the offer of what I'm going to, offer to my potential clients. And today I just will complete my offer, and I will finalize my what is my offer, and then I will finalize my content strategy because the way I will acquire my clients is not through DMs or outbound, it will be inbound. So I will be shooting content on Instagram, I will be producing content on Instagram as well as on YouTube. And from there, I will be getting leads and eventually clients. So that's what I'm going to be doing to acquire clients and also build a personal brand along the way. So yeah, that's the plan. Finalize the offer, finalize the content strategy, and then start executing on that content strategy to start getting leads and sales. So yeah, that's the plan. Let's see how it goes. Hmm. I'll be as transparent as possible throughout this documentary journey. And this video series will be published on my personal channel, not on my business channel. So if you want to know uh, if you are like interested in my services, so then you can just check in the description below on my first link. There's business or my business channel. Then from there you would get more information about my business. Okay. And yeah, this videos will be more transparent. I will be not having any cuts. I don't want to edit anything. The only thing I will edit is background noise and making sure that my voice is clear. That's it. But no cuts, nothing. So if you want to like play this video so 1.25x speed or 1.5x speed, you can do that. Okay. And yeah, this entire video series is on personal channel and not on my business channel. If you want to check out my business channel, you can check the first link below. Bye.